What is up, everybody? It is your boy Scotch of the Box here, and today I'm bringing you a Warthunder video. And what we're doing here is we're doing some high-tier helicopter battles with my buddy, callsign barcode, Bryce the winner, Lorax 2, whatever you want to call it for the Lorax squad. Anyway, the helicopters we're going to be using are the AH-1G Huey Cobra and the AH-64A Pettin Apache. Let's get underway and let's get right into the action. That's silly. I figured it out how to unpause this stuff. Alright, let's get into that battle. Hold up. Alright, now let's get it underway. Jesus. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we're on that side. Alright. Fire one, we're going for the Pettin over here. Target destroyed right off the bat. Let's go. Time to bail. Got it out of there quick. I got laser lock from my left.
A tiger or somewhat.
Yeah, probably a tiger. I see him.
Jesus. That was a Pettin.
Is that what it was?
Oh, there was something that fired.
No, I think I'm out of range.
They're firing missiles at them.
Yep.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going down low. I'm going in towards the buildings. I see a KA-50 on my nose. Alright, he's down.
Was that one of their air spawns?
Yep.
They have the British Pettin and yeah. The tiger again. If you kill that tiger, I get an assist, I think.
Take him down!
Yeah, I think.
Oh shit. Alright. Get out of there. I think I already took him out. Did I?
I think we took him out. Teammate took him out, Scotch.
I know. I'm going for this howitzer right here.
Semi-rockets.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. To duel.
Ah, shoot. Alright, I got shut down. It was by none other than a KA-52. Kind of want to make a run at Heli Base 3 and just navigate through the buildings and try to get their base. What's up?
It's Joe.
I'm in Heli Base 2.
Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have Scotch on the rocks ready to move to Heli Base 3 and absolutely send absolute hellfire on them, ladies and gentlemen. You are not ready for what you're about to experience with this man. He is ready. He is ready to tear and rip and tear and rip and tear and rip and tear over and over again just to get that hell spawn out of the area, ladies and gentlemen. He is ready to take that spawn 3 and ready. Here we go with Scotch on the rocks. Get ready to move on through now. This man is unstoppable, an absolute machine. You cannot stop him. Let's see how the Lorax crew will manage to overcome this a major objective. However, was
we lost? Oh, of course, we lost. Maybe I should just title this video "The Lorax Flies Helicopters."
The Lorax rains hell upon his enemies.
Fine, we'll go Wally first.
Wally.
And,
I got Bofa. Boba the done.
All right.
Yes.
Let's rock and roll it. We're going
Let's
to
rock
A.
and roll.
Scott.
And here we go, ladies and
Chat.
gentlemen. Scotch on the rocks, ready to make an absolute devastating play here. Let's see how this man manages to pull through here. This man is an absolute machine when it going through A. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get ready to shoot some bitches.
Ox.
Alright,
I wish you could see what
I'm just hearing.
Friend the Cobra.
From the Cobra? Is that what it is? Okay. Is that what it is?
Yes, it is.
Probably gonna go over this hill and get absolutely wrecked.
That's why I'm staying down low.
Yeah.
You don't even need to look, Scotch. You can just have your cannon just. You're not you can hide your hull. Trying to get night vision on the Cobra.
I got a hit on him.
Geez, Scotch. A charge. Oh. Mine.
Nice. I'll take
PM,
that. I'll take that kill assist.
T10. T10's hiding though, that's the sad part.
Yeah.
What? I think they need a little bit of hell. Mighty mouses. Or we can just run MiGs.
I mean, we could do that too. Artillery fire! Oh no!
Which MiG?
I got the MiG-15.
Let's have another MiG.
Or the MiG-17.
Actually, also have another MiG, remember? You're the Chinese MiG?
Yep. Fuck.
Damn it. Talk here, okay, buddy?
Alright, pep talk. We're running in the Huey.
Pep talk. Alright. What I need you to do
In
is
the Cobra?
I need you to destroy anything you see on site. I do not care if they're on your team or on the other team. I want you to destroy. When an enemy sees you on their exact reaction and be like, I swear to God, if it isn't, I will be very disappointed in you. I want you to destroy everything in your path. You are Arnold Warpath. You are here to destroy everything. If you need motivation, here is the best motivation I can give you. That's the best motivation I can give you to kick some ass.
Box, wrong song. It's supposed to be Fortune's Sons.
Fortunate Son. Why is there sons? Why does
Sorry,
John Fogerty have more than one son?
Because he's fortunate.
Estos putos que solo andan chingando mejor les parto su madre. Así que se las hice de pedo y ellos...
What?
What was that? What was that, Mox?
Huh?
What was that?
Nothing.
Mox? What's that?
I have no clue, dude. I have no clue.
There's nothing. Shut
Mox,
up.
we don't know.
Bruh.
Attention to the designated grid square!
We're
It ain't
Russian
me.
Lorax.
It might be me. I'm probably a fortunate one.
I'm just watching Scotch fight the Cobra.
I'm trying to get a good flank around and hit him from behind.
Damn.
Choose the wrong spawn. 4 miles away.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Spawn point 2,
What?
that's where you're supposed to go, not A. Number 1.
Huh? Okay.
Don't hit a tree. Don't become yourself. Become the Lorax again. We got some good SPA though.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We got a sweet SPA up on the ground. Oh no. E32.
I'm on a mission, man. I'm on a freaking mission. Watch, I'm gonna get there, and then I'm gonna die.
Oh, did you talk to the bartender to deal with the quest in order to start that mission?
Like, I'm I should just cut the video right here, and then like unpause it when I'm dead. Yep. Well, that lasted long. Yeah. Good shit.
That lasted like 10 minutes. How
Yeah,
long did that
no,
actually last?
I don't know. Yeah, but I
It should
just
tell you.
I get there and I crash. Was that a laugh track?
You don't need that time. Yes.
What the fuck?
Oh, Scotch.
I need
What to do
30,000.
right?
I need 30,000 XP
What to do
to
right?
get UHB. Yeah, I'm gonna move to my right. Anyway, thank you
Well,
guys so much for
this-
watching. Tune in next time for the next War Thunder video.
Yeah,
Probably gonna
thank
be
you so
doing
much,
some-
Caitlin, for... Go ahead. This is your video, not mine.
Thank you.
Take
That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in next time for the next video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Goodbye.